Zerodol SP tablet is a combination of three medicaments, which are Aceclofenac 100 mg, Paracetamol 325 mg, Serratiopeptidase 15 mg. Aceclofenac is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Paracetamol is an antipyretic or fever reducer. Serratiopeptidase is an enzyme which works by breaking down abnormal proteins at the site of inflammation and promotes healing. Uses are Zerodol SP is used for relieving pain and inflammation of muscles, joints, and bones in conditions such as arthritis, spondylitis, and injuries. Also used after operations and surgeries for relieving pain, inflammation, and swelling. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, indigestion, heartburn, etc.